Hi guys, in this video tutorial today I'm going to show you how you can use WhatsApp on your laptop or the computer. Guys, if you're having any issue while listening or with my accent, you can also go to my blogging website, which is www.pctipspro.com, and you can read the complete instruction from this website also. So let's come to the point. To use WhatsApp on the laptop or the computer, there are two different ways. The first way is to directly go to any of your browser, either it's Google Chrome or Firefox or Opera or the Microsoft Edge, and you can use from there. Or the second way is to download the WhatsApp software, the application on your device, on the laptop or the computer, then you can use from there. So let me come to the first way, how to use through the web browser. So let me open this Google Chrome browser. Once you open the Google Chrome browser, you need to go to the website. Here you can see the URL. It's web.whatsapp.com, right? So once you go to this website, it will give you a QR code. You will have to scan this QR code from your WhatsApp, which is installed in your mobile phone. So how you will do that? Let me show you here. I have recorded a video on my phone, so I'm going to play that video so that you can understand that easily. Here you can see I'm opening up the WhatsApp. Right now I have clicked on setting option. It's coming up on the setting. Once you go to the setting option, you will find here on the middle you can see WhatsApp web, right? First of all, let me log out. I have just logged out. Now you can see WhatsApp web desktop, right? So click on that. Now it will give you the option to scan that QR code which was coming up on the computer. So let me perform here how it works. Okay, you can see once I scan the code, it's working. Let me do one more time for you. Here I'm going to scan the code which is coming up on the desktop again, and now you can see I have logged into my WhatsApp profile on the laptop. It was the first way to access your WhatsApp on your laptop or the computer. Now let me explain you what is the second way to use the WhatsApp on your device. So the second way is you can say it's a permanent option. Go to the website of www.whatsapp.com. okay, it's a different URL you can see here. Now once you go to that URL, you can see on the top it's coming up WhatsApp web features and download. So you need to click on this download option. Right now you can see it will give you different options to download. Here you can see at the right side, download for Windows 64-bit, and if you have Mac, it will come up with that option by default. You will not have to change that. Or you can also see here download for Mac OS X 10.9 and higher. So you can use it on the Windows computer or the Mac computer also. So download the software from here, right? Then install the software. After downloading, you need to install the software in your computer. Once you install the software, then it will be installed like this. As you can see, I just installed the WhatsApp and it's installed here. So in that case, once you will suppose open that software which you have downloaded in your computer, it will give you the same interface as it was coming up on the WhatsApp web on the Google Chrome. So it's coming up the WhatsApp which I have installed on the computer. Again, you will have to do the same procedure. What you have to do, scan the QR code which will come up on the WhatsApp application. You will have to scan that QR code from your phone. So let me do it again. I have just done that, and you can see I logged in to the website to the WhatsApp through the software also, right? So this is the two ways you can use WhatsApp on your device easily. So guys, that's all in this video tutorial. I hope you like this video, and I hope I have resolved your query also, the problem. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel, and also to promote me, go to this website which is my blogging website www.pctipspro.com. and you can read this article from there also. So thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe the channel and the blog also.